Hey guys, Jason Voorhees here with weaponowners.com. Picked up a cool little product called Glow On. This is the original color. What this is supposed to do is supposed to be a glow-in-the-dark paint that you can put on sights, gun parts, whatever you want to glow on. Basically what I figured this would be is for guys that can't afford tritium night sights or anything for their handguns, rifles, whatever. If you don't use night sights very much, this is a cheap and expensive way to add some night capabilities to your rifle, your handgun, whatever. What I do like about this is when it's not in dark, it stays this white color, which is pretty much close to the same color as regular white sights. So just hold it up in the light. The glow on is light activated, so it does need to be charged by some light. As you can see, it starts turning a little bit different colors. And we're going to go ahead and apply this on a M92 AK pistol here. What you do is just kind of stir it in. If it gets a little pasty, they said to, which it is, just to add a little bit of water. So I'm just going to stir this up and kind of see. As you can see, it kind of gets a little gritty. That's the time you add a little bit of water. So hang on 1 second and I'll grab some water. Alright, all I did is I just added a drop. I just stuck my finger in some water, got one droplet of water on my finger and dropped it in there. As you can see, it turns more into a liquid instead of grainy. So you just dab it on. I'm using a toothpick because for gun sights the applicator that they use is a little big, and then you just touch where you want. It's hard to do it this way, so I'm going to flip it up here. And if you screw up, the great part about this is it's water based, so you just take it, wipe it right off, it comes right off. So I'm gonna all I'm doing is just making little drops on here. Then the front sight, I like to just put a dot on there like so. So okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut off the lights here. As you can see, they're already kind of glowing a bit. What you have to do is you can just charge it. You just shine it on there for a little bit. Oops. Then, as you can see, they're ready to go. I have found before I go to bed, I keep my Glock next to my bed, so what I end up doing is I just put a little bit on, and I just, after I got it all applied, I just charge it and then let it sit, and then this is how it sits pretty much all night. So I got basically night sights for my gun. I don't recommend using this if you're gonna be carrying a lot at night, and by no means does this replace a tritium night sight. This is just a cheap alternative if you can't afford tritium night sights, or if you don't want to spend a lot of money on night sights and you just want to add possibly the capability of having sights that you can use in the dark. This will work. I found that I've done my Glock, I've done my 92 pistol. This is another 92 pistol I'm doing for a friend. For $14.99 you can get this little jar for. I've done quite a few rifles. There's still plenty in there. Even when you get in the bottle here, I don't know if you can see this. I mean, the bottle's even glowing with the stuff in it. So the stuff does work. One thing they do recommend is either taking a dab of super glue or clear fingernail polish after this dries. It takes a little bit. I usually let it dry 24 hours, and I come back with some clear fingernail polish and just go right over it, and I have had no trouble with the glow on. This is Jason Voorhees with weaponowners.com. Thank you for watching.